So I have a pretty substantial exhaust leak in on my '06 Toyota Prius. And I got this stuff to try on the exhaust to see if it would work, if it would actually plug the leaks and quiet down the muffler. I have two holes. One is right there that I've formed that in there, stuck it all around it, and it started to harden. And then the other, I'll show you real quick. So they say you gotta take that, you knead it in your hands until it's all one color, and it really starts to get hot, and that's kind of telling you that it's ready. And then trying to get rid of the shadow, I'm trying to show you. This was a weld that they just did not weld very well, and I just wanted to try to fix the leak without welding. So I rolled it into a thin roll, and I put it around the whole diameter and then smashed it all around, and now it's hardening. And I'm gonna see if this works and see how long it works. I must say I don't know about the longevity of this stuff, but how it hardens and adheres to the surface of the tailpipe, it seems to have worked really well. So from my short-term use, I definitely recommend it. I'm going to probably spray paint it with some HighHeat spray paint here in a little while before it gets wet. That way it won't rust, and hopefully it doesn't corrode and it lasts longer. So seems to work for exhaust fixes. I cleaned up the surface before I put it on. I tried to shine it up with a wire brush and sand it a little bit, stuck to it, and it seemed to work great.